Angela and Amaya, and we're making slime.
Okay, guys,
So this is easy. It's toothpaste and salt. I probably will add a little sugar to make it. This is edible actually. That I wouldn't eat it a lot as well.
I eat it.
And you'll eat it. You'll taste it. And
That tastes good.
hey, we're working on a monitor to buy our little YouTube videos session. Yeah, I'll. Hold on, guys. I need to throw.
She's disgusting. That's mine. She died in the video. What did she do?
Salt and toothpaste. Don't do it.
I think that could kill your insides. You disgusting lady.
Do not ever eat salt, toothpaste, slime. That's a fact. That's what happens.
Yeah, you should not.
I'll go this out. Here, hold the phone. Put it, shine it at the bowl.
Look at this nasty stuff.
It's